Modifying the Huben K1 to 100 Joule. Servus, thanks for dropping in. You already know this constellation here from 2 weeks ago. Today you can see our second modification video. Michael is here, Jörg is here, and Jörg will tell us something about the technical details in a minute. Today we want to show you how to push the Huben K1 to 100 Joule, and of course we'll show it in action in the shooting area over a distance of 100 meters. Jörg, thanks again for taking a long trip to support me with the technical stuff. You have way more experience here than I do. Michael is also here. He will do the actual modification since only a gunsmith is allowed to do so. Maybe you just start with telling us what exactly has to be changed on the weapon. Well, first of all, from a technical point of view, this is probably the most advanced weapon on the market right now because it is completely hammerless designed. There's no hammer strut, no hammer that needs to be cocked. Everything happens by air pressure. That is amazing because this makes it a real semi-automatic rifle. So not like a revolver with double action where I have to rotate the magazine, as for example with a Beretta. Here we have a true semi-auto trigger with a, not sure what the trigger weight was. I think we measured around 500 to 600 grams, so very, very low. Yeah, and that makes the system very fast. I think you can easily manage to shoot in 19 shots within 3 seconds. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, so we're reaching rounds per minute numbers close to machine guns, and that's a lot of fun. In Germany, limited to 7.5 Joule. If you have to, well, if you want to raise this to 100 Joule, you have to modify it in several places, which is not trivial, and you need special tools to do so, and that's what we will do today. We are at the shooting area now. The Huben is modified and we set the energy to round about 70 Joule, which is depending on the pellets or slugs you are using. We have 1.645 gram. With a higher power we would need a higher slug weight, for example. I heard that these are working pretty fine. We'll see. It's the first test and I'm going to take 10 shots. It's definitely a ton of fun, I can say that already. Let's see the precision we can reach. The target is 100 meters away. We tried 25 and 50 before. Now I just want to see what I can do over 100 meters. Let's go.
Okay.
Well, that's not the be-all and end-all yet. Okay, the last ones were more precise, they're closer together, but I definitely have to test more with the amount of different setup options I have, plus different slugs to use. I'd say it's okay, and for 100 meter really not bad at all, but I'm sure, and I have seen it already, that a higher precision is possible. Take a few more shots. It's definitely fun, and see now they're getting closer together, just the one I completely blew. And one more shot. Okay, I get the target, and then we go for the result. You can hear I'm out of breath. I just realized that shooting at 10-meter distance is much more comfortable than 100 meters when it comes to getting your target back. I'm out of breath and I don't want to do this a whole afternoon. Honestly, I'm more satisfied than I thought initially. Through the Element Nexus scope, it looked like a huge spread. But you see, it all fits under my hand, while the main part, yeah, I blew this one here. The main part is in a 9 centimeter spread area. Since we just modified the gun and made 0 tests, this is a very good result. I'm 100% happy with it. I want to thank Michael, he's behind the camera right now, for modifying the gun. The F will be removed, of course. It has to be done professionally because it has to be removed. Then it will be registered. First Michael creates the rifle and then he transfers it to me and it will be noted in my book. Of course, a big thanks to Jörg who brought the rifles for the test. Thanks a lot. He's also behind the camera right now. If you want a Huben, you can order in Jörg's shop or contact me via airghandi.de/en if you're in Germany. My shop is also coming soon, just contact me. Thanks a lot for watching, see you next time. Ciao, servus, says AirGhandi.